of cookies for Christmas, but I know they're bad for me. I just want some sweets. I deserve a treat. I've been so good for 40 days. I'm dreaming of cookies for Christmas, but I don't want my diet to stray. Please tell me there is some way to have a cookie this holiday.
Well, hi everybody. I know what you want for Christmas this year. You want Christmas cookies. The problem with Christmas cookies is they're just not good for you. But this year, we're going to make things a little bit differently. By replacing some of your normal ingredients, we are going to teach you how to make some amazing cookies that are lock-in stage approved. Now listen to what you will learn how to make. Blueberries and cream butter fat bombs, raspberry cheesecake cookie, snickerdoodle cream cookies, and keto chocolate chip cookies. This is happening December 10th, and you can sign up by clicking the link below. We hope to see you at our Christmas cookie cooking class.